Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill of Competition Cars in Myrtle Beach, and now I have a really nice International Scout 2 diesel rally package, inline turbo diesel 4-speed four-wheel drive. And this vehicle was restored to a very, very high standard. I'm going to give you more details. I got this from a very good client slash buddy of mine from a very important collection. So let's just go over the engine bay for now. But I can tell you that it was restored to a high level. It was a lot of NOS parts used to restore this vehicle. But I'm going to get more details, and in the coming videos, I will actually tell you more about it. But this thing is just, I mean, I really want to say museum quality because it's pretty damn close. You can tell a lot about a vehicle based on how much time and effort was put into the engine bay and the undercarriage. And this is just done right. I mean, everything here looks like really nice and really new. I don't see any expense spared anywhere on this one. So again, this is just strictly the engine bay to show you just how nice it looks. Again, it's got the Nissan diesel, the SD33, inline turbo diesel. It's very cool. Can't wait to show you the rest of the vehicle. We'll do a driving video shortly. We'll do an interior, exterior video, and then an undercarriage as well. So check this out for now. This will hold you over. You can see just how nice it is. An awesome color combination. There it is, guys. Check it out. You'll see this on YouTube first. This is going to be a wonderful opportunity to own a very highly restored, very correct 1980 Scout 2 Rally. And it's showing 75,000 miles, so we believe it's a 75,000 mile vehicle that was then nut and bolt restored. So check it out. Have a great day.